Good day, sir. This is our report about the watertight integrity and the importance of keeping of within the ship. Maintaining watertight integrity is paramount to the safety of operational viability of any vessel. A ship hull and internal compartments are designed with watertight integrity as a core principle, preventing the ingress of water that could lead to flooding, instability, and ultimately sinking. This report will discuss the critical aspects of watertight integrity and its importance in ensuring maritime safety.
Water-right com- compartmentation. Modern ships are constructed with a system of water-right blockheads, decks, and doors that divide the hull into numerous compartments. This compartmentation limits the extent of flooding should a branch occurs. If one compartment is compressed, 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 the others remain should preventing catastrophic consequence. The design and construction of these watertight structures are governed by strict international regulation and classify safety standards.